What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be going to B&Q in thrilling stuff, but basically I've sold the Shogun Sport. Sold it the other day because I got a bit bored of it. Fancy something, I don't know, just fancy a change. So I sold it the other day. Don't know what to get yet, just been having a little look. Fancy a little 4x4 again, something fun that I can play with, but chuck stuff in the back and not care too much about. So anyway, in the meantime I've only got the BM and I need to go to B&Q at the moment to go and get some wood, so hopefully it'll fit in here. So it's kind of a test of practicality for the 3 Series, the E92. So hopefully, I know the back seats do fold down, so I don't know even know what I'm buying yet, so I don't know how long it is, but I don't know, we'll find out. So let's go and have a go. Obviously I can't walk past the wild cherry little tree. Gotta get it. Oh my god, look at this rain. It's supposed to be summer. Typical. Right, I give up. I'm gonna go and get it cut in half because I've just noticed that there's a free timber cutting service. 2.4 metre length is not going to fit. Oh my god. I don't know what's just happened, but a minute ago it was like Spain out there, and now I don't know if you can see that, but that is ice, hailstones, etc. It's just suddenly started raining really hard. Weird. How do I get this to demist? So, as you can see, I chickened out. I didn't go for the full lengths because sensible Aaron said, go and get it cut. It's free. Matey loved it. Cut it in half for me and it fits straight in the boot. I didn't film it going in the boot because, well, it's raining. It's a bit weird standing in the car park filming yourself, putting a bit of wood in the boot. So we can just imagine that. But yeah, it's in 4 pieces, well 2 cut in half. Why do you need a truck when you can just do that? Obviously not great if you need a big full length. But onwards. So there we have it, guys. If you're looking to carry some long bits of wood, the E92 isn't for you, I'm afraid, unless you can get it cut in half like I've just done. So a bit of a random video, fancy doing it, why not? It's a laugh. But plenty more videos on this channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon next to it. That will keep you up to date with any videos. Probably a bit more content than a bit of wood in the boot. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I've just realised I've put 2 loads of washing out. Thrilling stuff, thrilling content.